that goes by the name of Stephanie. I always mess up her last name even though she's my sister, Munoz. You can buy me diamonds, you can buy me pearls, take me on a cruise around the world, 'cause baby, you know I'm worth it. Dinner lit by candles, run my bubble bath, make love tenderly to last and last, 'cause baby, you know I'm worth it. Wanna please, wanna keep, wanna treat your woman right. Don't just show that you know that I got this worth your time. You will lose if you choose to refuse to put her first. She will, she can't find a man who knows her worth. I heard church bells ring. I heard a choir singing. I saw my love walk down the aisle. She was standing there with my man. I heard the promise till death do us part. Each word was a pain in my heart. Oh, and all I can do was cry. All I can do was cry. I was losing the man that I love, and I can do was cry. And now the wedding is over. The rice has been thrown over their heads. For them, life has just begun, and mine is at ending. Yeah. I heard it's a love song. In the ending. All right, so we're gonna go to intermission. I don't know. I crack myself up. I don't know about y'all. I be laughing and stuff. So we're gonna go to intermission. You guys can eat and stuff. We'll be back in 10 minutes.